Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add items to Google Collections. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up your Google app. Now, in order to do this, we need to go ahead and find something you want to save. So this can be images, places, products, or even web pages. So for example, you can type in best travel destinations, air fryer recipes, cats. So I'm just going to type in cats and then hit enter. And now I'm going to go to images. So say if I like this image of this cat, what we can do is go ahead, we need to find that save button. So click save, and now we can create a collection if you like. So I'm going to create new, and I'm going to call this animals, like so. Now I'm going to hit back, and it should say saved. Now if you want to go ahead and find your collections, we want to go ahead and click on home. Oh, sorry, click on activity, scroll down, and we can see our collection side of here, saved items.